Good morning, students. We discussed rate of reaction and rate constant in last class. Now today we are study about rate constant and its character, order of reaction, and the how to calculate the unit of rate constant for different order of reaction. Students, we know that order of reaction may be 0, 1, 2, 3 or fraction. So the students, the value of unit of rate constant is differ for different order of reaction. Initially we discuss properties of rate constant, students, or characteristic of rate constant. So now we discuss characteristic of rate constant. The first point of all, the first point is each reaction has definite value. Each reaction has definite value of rate constant at particular temperature. If we change the temperature, rate constant for particular reaction is changed. Now the student, third point is the value of rate constant. The value of rate constant do not depend upon concentration of reactant. And the students, value of rate constant is bigger. Value of rate constant is bigger. Reaction are faster and vice versa. Students, if the rate constant value is high, it means bigger. The reactions are faster, and vice versa, it means the rate constant is smaller, the reaction is slow. And the student, fifth character is the unit of rate constant is different for different order of reaction. Students, if we took zero order reaction, the unit of rate constant is different with first order reaction, with second order reaction. It means, a student, if the order of reaction will change, the unit of rate constant is also changed. Now the students, we discuss unit of rate of reaction. Unit of rate of reaction and rate constant. Now the students, rate of reaction equals to change in concentration by change in time. Here the students, change in concentration. The unit of concentration is mole liter inverse and the unit of time is second. So mole liter inverse second inverse is the unit of rate of reaction. Now the students, we discuss unit of rate constant. Students, for any reaction, rate equals to K, then concentration of reactant पे power x. Students, here x may be 0, 1, 2 or fraction. It gives the idea about order of reaction. Now the students, K is rate by concentration पे power x. Students, we know that rate is concentration second inverse by concentration पे power x. Now the students, K is concentration 1 minus x second inverse. Here the students, it is the formula to calculate unit of rate constant for the different order reaction. Students, if x is 0, then the unit of K is mole liter inverse second inverse. Now the student, I gave a table for unit of rate constant for different order of reaction. Now the students, for 0 order, x equals to 0, K equals to, students, concentration 1 minus x second inverse. Now the students, we know that the unit of concentration is mole liter inverse 1 minus 0 second inverse. Now the unit of mole liter inverse second inverse, it is the unit of rate constant, student, for 0 order. Now the students, we discuss for first order. K equals to mole liter inverse 1 minus 1 second inverse. Now the students, 1 minus 1 become equal to 0 and the power at anything upon 0 is equal to 1. So the students, only second inverse is the unit of first order. Now the students, unit of second order for second order kinetics. Here the students, K equals to mole liter inverse x equals to 2, then 1 minus 2 second inverse. Here the students, 1 minus 2 it gives minus 1. So mole minus 1, liter minus 1 and minus 1 students, plus 1 second inverse. It is the unit for K for the second order kinetics. Now the students, we see that the unit of rate constant for the different order of reaction is differ. For first order, second inverse. For second order, mole inverse liter plus 1 second inverse. For 0 order students, mole liter inverse second inverse. So the students, the unit of rate constant also determine the order of reaction. इसका मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स, रेट कांस्टेंट के यूनिट को देख करके हम ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन को पकड़ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी डिस्कस वेरियस न्यूमेरिकल्स स्टूडेंट्स। In last class, one homework is a reaction is second order kinetics. If the concentration of reactant is double, then how many times of rate is affected? Now the students, such type of question initially we write the differential form dr by dt equals to k. This is the differential rate equation. Here the students, there are two equations formed to relate initial and final rate. Initially R1 equals to k a पे power 2. This is the equation number 1. R2 equals to k 2a पे power 2. Now the students, k 4a पे power 2. It is equation number 2. Here 1 divided by 2, then we get R1 by R2 equals to k by k a square by 4a square. Here the students, it will cancel and we find that R2 equals to 4R1. So the students, these type of question are formed by this method. So the students, there are some question in your in-text and exercise in NCERT book in which various order of reactions are taken. Students, initially you get two equation, initial rate and final rate. Here the students, it is divided by them and relate the relation between initial and final. Here the one important thing, students, notable point, students, if order of reaction is 0, then no effect on rate of reaction when we change concentration of reactant. Students, here one example is taken, that is minus dr by dt equals to k r to power 0. It means it is zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Now the students, R1 equals to k r to power 0. It means k. This is equation number 1. Now the students, R2 equals to k and reaction is doubled. 2r equals to 0. Now the students, 2. If you divide one students by 2, you get R1 equals to R2, because R1 equals to k and R2 equals to k. Here the students, in zero order reaction में स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट को चेंज करते भी हैं तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन एंड रेट कांस्टेंट दोनों इक्वल होता है. रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन एंड रेट कांस्टेंट बोथ आर इक्वल, सो देयर इज नो इफेक्ट on the rate of reaction when we change concentration of reactant. Students, you learn very well about this. Now the students, we took another example to understand such type of numerical students. First of all, a reaction is, students, minus dr by dt equals to k a b. Here the students, in differential rate equation, A is the first order kinetics and B is the second order kinetics. If both A and B are doubled, then what times of rate is affected? Here the students, R1 equals to K A B square. It is the equation first. R2 equals to K 2A 2B square. Now it is written as K 8AB square. It is equation number 2. Then 1 divided by 2, R1 by R2 equals to K by K A B square 8 A B square. Now the students, we get R2 equals to 8 R1. So we relate if we change the concentration of reactant, how much rate of reaction is affected is calculated by this method, students. Any doubt, students? Then we move next topic, students. In these numerical, students, one reaction is taken 2A, it gives A2. The rate of reaction becomes 27 times when the concentration of A is increased by 3 times. अगर स्टूडेंट्स A के कंसंट्रेशन को 3 टाइम्स अगर इंक्रीज कर देते हैं तो रेट उसका 27 टाइम्स हो जाता है. तो पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. इनिशियली स्टूडेंट्स वी टुक टू इक्वेशन. इनिशियल R1 equals to K A X, where X is order of reaction which is unknown, students. Now on increasing the concentration 3 times, then the rate becomes 27 times. Now putting this, we find equation 2 and dividing this equation 1 and 2, we find 1 by 27 equals to K is cancelled out, A is cancelled out, 1 by 3 to power x. Now 1 by 27 is also written as 1 by 3 to power 3 and 1 by 3 to power 3. Here both the bases are equal, so x equals to 3 and it is third order kinetics. Students, this process is also helpful in physics, modern physics, in which nuclear physics, a chapter is nuclear physics, in which half-life, first order kinetics and various type of numericals also solve the formula which is explained in chemistry book. स्टूडेंट जब तुम फिजिक्स के बुक को उल्टोगे तो उसमें एक मॉडर्न फिजिक्स टॉपिक आएगा जिसके अंतर्गत एक न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री या न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स करके एक चैप्टर होगा जिसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन होंगे कि ये रेडियो एक्टिव मेटल्स है, ये इतने दिनों में डिसइंटीग्रेट करता है. मान लिया जाए कि 50 साल के बाद उसका कितना अमाउंट बचा रह जाएगा या उसका हाफ लाइफ क्या है. ठीक है, तो ये तुमको फिजिक्स में भी हेल्प करेगा. अब जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे यानी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स, सेकंड ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स, सबका डेरिवेशन देखते जाएंगे जो कि काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट्स. और उन सभी ऑर्डरों पे 4 फैक्टर जो हैं इंपॉर्टेंट हैं स्टूडेंट्स: कंसंट्रेशन, प्रेशर, कैटलिस्ट एंड टेम्परेचर. one is surface area is also important, students. So the students, now we discuss some example of zero order, first order. इतना सारा ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन हुआ, बट हमें ये नहीं पता है स्टूडेंट्स कि कौन से रिएक्शंस जीरो को फॉलो करते हैं, कौन से रिएक्शंस फर्स्ट को फॉलो करते हैं, कौन से रिएक्शंस सेकेंड ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स को फॉलो करते हैं। इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स कुछ एग्जांपल्स को जरूर याद रखना है कि ये रिएक्शंस इस ऑर्डर को फॉलो करते हैं। नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स, सम एग्जांपल ऑफ zero order kinetics. Some example of zero order kinetics. Students, some techniques to learn the zero order kinetics. जितने भी enzymatic catalysis है स्टूडेंट्स, enzymatic catalysis, it means the reaction which proceed in the presence of enzymes, all are zero order kinetics students. And various reaction which proceed in the presence of metal surface is also fall under zero order kinetics students. So some enzyme catalysis and reaction occurring at metal surface fall under zero order kinetics. Here the students, one example is 2NH3 in the presence of platinum at 1130 Kelvin, it gives N2 plus 3H2. It is zero order kinetics and it is written as rate equals to K NH3 पे power 0. Now the students, 2HI, it gives H2 plus I2 in the presence of gold. Then rate equals to K concentration of HI पे power 0. And the students, 10th क्लास में तुम लोग बायो में पढ़े होंगे कि सुक्रोज या माल्टोज जो है वो जाइमेज और इन्वर्टेज के प्रेजेंस में ब्रेक डाउन करके वो अल्कोहल का फॉर्मेशन करता है, इथेनॉल का फॉर्मेशन करता है। तो ये जो जाइमेज और इन्वर्टेज है ये एक एंजाइम है और एंजाइम के प्रेजेंस में वो डिसोसिएशन होता है, इसलिए वो जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स है। जैसे स्टूडेंट्स मिल्क कन्वर्ट इनटू कर्ड, तो उसमें जो योगर्ट डालते हो, यानी ये जो उसमें थोड़ी सी दही जो डालते हो उसको हिंदी में और जोड़न बोला जाता है, वो जो दूध में डालते हो और वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है दही में, तो वहां उसमें लैक्टोबैसिलस नाम के जो बैक्टीरिया है वो लैक्टोबैसिली एंजाइम्स का फॉर्मेशन करता है, जिससे कि मिल्क जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं कर्ड में। ये भी जीरो ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स है स्टूडेंट्स। इट मींस enzymatic catalysis and the reaction proceed or occur in the presence of metal fall under zero order kinetics. Now we move students first order kinetics. Some example of first order kinetics. Here the students, first order kinetics generally all the nuclear disintegration. It means students जितने भी रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंस हैं और वो अगर अल्फा बीटा गामा रे को इमिट कर रहे हैं, जैसे यूरेनियम हो गया, रेडियम हो गया, ये सब जो इमिट्स करते हैं अल्फा बीटा गामा रे को, वो एक फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स है। और स्टूडेंट्स डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ N2O5 फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स है। डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ H2O2 इट मींस हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स है। सो द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल न्यूक्लियर डिसइंटीग्रेशन are first order kinetics. Here the students, if X remove Y to liberate alpha. Here the students, X is the symbol of element. It means here uranium or thorium or radium is taken. A is atomic number and B is mass number. एक अल्फा रे अगर किसी से लिबरेट होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, एक अल्फा रे, तो उसमें से एटॉमिक नंबर में 2 की कमी और मास नंबर में 4 की कमी आती है। और ये जितने भी अल्फा बीटा गामा रे का डिसइंटीग्रेशन होगा, ये सारे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स हैं। सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. H2O2 in the presence of I minus, it gives H2O plus half O2. All these students are the example of first order kinetics. Now SO2Cl2 dissociate into SO2 and Cl2. That is sulfonyl chloride or thionyl chloride students. All these decomposition belongs from first order kinetics. Now we move some example of second order kinetics students. Second order kinetics. Here in second order kinetics, some examples are as follow. Students, the first example is 2HI, it gives H2 and I2. Here if we write rate equals to K, concentration of HI by power 2, then it's represent, it is the first order kinetics. And second one is the student NO plus O3, it gives NO2 plus O2. Here rate equals to K, concentration of NO and concentration of O3. Here the students 1 and 1 present as the aspiring of these data, then order is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. All these are second order kinetics. Now the students, we give some example of fraction order kinetics students. Some example of fraction order kinetics. Here the students, one example is taken which is H2 plus Br2, it gives 2HBr. Here the students, rate equals to K, concentration of H2 and concentration of Br2 power half. Here order is 1 plus half, it is 1.5. which is explained upon the basis of mechanism of reaction students, which is study furtherly in next class. In previous class we discuss about what is elementary and complex reaction. जब मैं कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन को डील करने जाऊंगा तब आपको समझ में आएंगे कि ये Br2 के पहले तो कोफिशिएंट 1 है, बट यहां राइज हो रहा है हाफ। इसका मतलब है कि रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप जो है, यानी एक से ज्यादा स्टेप में जो रिएक्शन प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं उसमें जरूर ब्रोमीन का 1 मोल इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो रहा होगा, ब्रोमीन का हाफ मोल इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है, इसलिए यहां पे पावर हाफ राइज हुआ है। नाउ ए सेकेंड एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स, which is CoCl2, it gives CO plus Cl2. Here rate equals to K. CoCl2 to power 3/2. Then order of reaction is 3/2. It means 1.5. And other examples are also present which give the fraction order of kinetics. Students, these are the example of 0, first, second and fraction order kinetics. Okay students, any doubt? Now we move towards Fawines.